my God.
What? I just felt like I should have said something.
We're gonna build a busy board. Gonna use some MDF, 1/2 inch MDF, 2 foot by 2 foot, some 2x2s for the stand, and we've got buttons, latches, wheels, lights, doorknob, all sorts of things to play with and twist and turn and slide and push that we're gonna screw to the board, and hopefully it turns out good. This is for a 2-year-old boy that doesn't sit still. So this may be a good way to keep him in one spot and busy at the same time. So I've got everything test fit. Now what we're gonna do is pull everything off so we can paint the board front and back. We're gonna prime it and then do a few coats of green paint. Put everything back together and build a stand for it. I've waited to build the stand. I wanted to get the paint put on and then do the stand last. I've cut the pieces, I just need to screw them in. So now, time to undo everything we've already done. finally got our board painted. Now we're gonna put everything back on. This project's taken a little bit longer than we had planned. We've had a few little hiccups. The switch didn't fit right. We had to get like a router to edge out the back of the board so that we could get the back plate on the switch. We built a stand and mounted the board sideways. So after we fixed that, we had to repaint the board. So our weekend project has extended, but we finally got everything done. Now we just have to mount everything back to the board and it's ready to go.
Let's put everything back on.
Just finished wiring everything up and the board is 100% complete.
Woo!
We got light.
Huzzah! I'll do the sound effects.
Do the button.
So growing up, we're raised, taught to not ever press the red button. Don't ever flip the red switch, but our kids are gonna think that they're able to.
Kids, I thought this was for us.
Oh.